Hello, this is Shushmita Shaha. My ID is 211442217. My presentation topic is article summarization. The article Secure and efficient transmission of data based on cipher algorithm for civil attack in IoT. Contents. Problem statement. Based on a 2060 World Health Organization survey, nearly 2.6 million people are suffering from being overweight, 4.9 million people from lung cancer, 4.4 million people from cholesterol problems, and so on. By 2026, this disease could affect 64 million people. Sensors can monitor vital signs such as heart rate, sugar level, and body temperature. These sensors are directly attached to the body of the patient or embedded in a device. With the help of an IoT based health monitoring system, the patient's health and condition can be directly monitored by a doctor through an internet connection. Objective. In the past, in order for the patient's body condition to be measured, the patient would need to be taken to a hospital or healthcare center. But today, if there any sudden increase or decrease in the patient's body, then sensors will notify the doctor about the change. This data can be transmitted through the internet from the patients to the doctors and vice versa. Every devices are subjected to many routing attacks. Civil attacks are the most dangerous routing attacks. This type of attack involves stealing the identities of legitimate nodes. This, in turn, leads to information loss, misinterpretation in the network, and an increase in routing disturbance. Hence, in this paper, they propose the use of traditional Caesar cipher algorithm along with the lightweight encryption algorithm and the received signal strength indicator to detect and prevent civil attacks in an IoT environment. The methodology, the system architecture of IoT based health monitor system. The overall process of RSSI LEA AODB as a flowchart. Start. Consider M number of nodes, assign nodes with ID and energy value, set routers to all nodes, broadcast requests to all nodes, receive RREPs from nodes and check for civil nodes based on RRSI values. For I equal to 1 to M, if RSSIM greater than threshold, if yes, node may be abnormal entry, then if node IDs of both nodes are same and RSSI values are different, then new nodes are civil nodes. Civil nodes change the route that leads to civil nodes. If no, set to all routers, to all nodes. End. This is the algorithm for RSS based civil node detection. This is CCA encryption and LEA and CCA decryption for data transfer. Result discussion. In the RSSI LEA AODB method, civil detection is used for detecting the civil nodes, and the AODB routing approach is adopted to create a route between the source and the destination. Here, simulator parameters are shown. Alive nodes. Nodes with sufficient energy to move the data are called alive nodes. More alive nodes are needed to sufficient data transmission. Here, alive nodes in the network without a civil attack Performance comparison of civil nodes. Dead nodes. Nodes with no energy to relay information are called dead nodes. Dead nodes are to be minimized in the network to prevent packet loss, and this in turn enhances the network performance. Dead nodes in the network without a civil attack. Performance comparison of dead nodes. Significance of the paper. The effective detection of the civil nodes that are in the network is made by the received signal strength. The AODB routing protocols is used for electing the optimal route, and this route is optimized by the distance from one node to another node and each node's residual energy, preventing the energy from being harmed by the civil nodes by broadcasting information about the civil nodes to all the legitimate nodes. The confidentiality of shared information is improved with the help of the CCA with the LEA. Weaknesses of the paper. The RSSI LEA AODB method is costly and less efficient to detect the civil attack. The detection of the civil nodes depends on the received signal strength of each node. These civil nodes did not prevent while transmitting data. Research gap. They only analyzed based on the comparison the RSSI LEA AODB method when the network is under a civil attack. The performance of the civil attack detection did not compare by using SBM or any other optimization methods. They are avoiding the civil nodes. Thank you.